What makes Russia one of the most powerful and fascinating nations on Earth? Its vast land, rich culture, or unstoppable scientific spirit? Let's embark on a journey to discover why Russia continues to awe the world. Russia, a giant of land, legacy, and leadership. Top 20 fascinating things to know about Russia. 1. World's largest country. Spans 11 time zones and touches Europe and Asia. 2. Lake Baikal, deepest and oldest freshwater lake, holding 20% of Earth's fresh surface water. 3. Yuri Gagarin, first human in space, 1961, a symbol of Soviet scientific glory. 4. Trans-Siberian Railway, longest continuous railway line on Earth, 9,289 kilometers. 5. Red Square in Kremlin, historic seat of power and symbol of Russian might. 6. Russian language, spoken by over 250 million people, one of 6 UN official languages. 7. Tchaikovsky to Tolstoy, global icons in music and literature. 8. Orthodox faith, deeply embedded in its culture, with grand cathedrals and traditions. 9. Cold extremes. Oymyakon, Siberia, is one of the coldest inhabited places on Earth. 10. Arctic ambitions. Strong presence in Arctic resource and military strategy. 11. Cultural pride. Matryoshka dolls, folk music, and ballet define Russian soul. 12. Military strength. One of the top 3 military powers globally. 13. Cossack warriors, historic symbols of freedom, rebellion, and horseback mastery. 14. Oil and gas empire, a top global exporter of natural gas and oil. 15. Bolshoi Ballet, revered worldwide for artistic excellence. 16. Hermitage Museum, a cultural treasure trove with over 3 million works of art. 17. Diverse landscapes from tundras and forests to mountains and coasts. 18. Vodka Legacy, cultural beverage with deep historical roots. 19. Global diplomacy, a permanent UN Security Council member with wide influence. 20. Nobel Legacy, home to Nobel laureates in literature, physics, and peace. Top 5 lessons to learn from Russia. 1. Never give up. From harsh winters to world wars, Russia endures. 2. Invest in science and culture. Russia has always balanced rockets with poetry. 3. Embrace identity. Preserves its traditions, language, and Orthodox faith. 4. Think strategically. Strong in long-term geopolitical and scientific planning. 5. Be resilient under pressure. Survive sanctions, revolutions, and transitions. Top 5 Russian inventions that changed the world. 1. Sputnik 1, 1957, the world's first artificial satellite, igniting the space race. 2. Periodic table, 1869, created by Dmitry Mendeleev, still used worldwide. 3. Tetris, 1984, iconic video game created by Alexei Pajitnov. 4. Kalashnikov AK-47, 1947, one of the most widely used rifles in military history. Laser eye surgery, 1930s groundwork, pioneered by Russian scientists in optics. Top 5 Russian space achievements. 1. First human in space. Yuri Gagarin orbited Earth on April 12, 1961. 2. First satellite, Sputnik 1. Launched October 4, 1957, began the space age. 3. First woman in space, Valentina Tereshkova, 1963, a global milestone. 4. Luna 2, first spacecraft to reach the moon, 1959. 5. Mir Space Station, operated for 15 years, precursor to the International Space Station, ISS. From the silence of Siberia to the silence of space, Russia's journey is one of intellect, power, and imagination. So what inspires you most about Russia? Its courage, its culture, or its cosmos?